Assalamu alaikum, welcome to this new Arabic lesson with me, Maha. Today I'm going to teach you 5 different ways to say okay in Arabic. Let's begin. The first one that is very much used, most of them are super used also in the daily spoken language, is Tayib. If you want to say okay, Tayib, Tayib, Tayib. Remember, it's a guttural ta, it's not Tayib, it's ta. It comes from the back of your throat, deep, ta, 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 ta. Not ta ta ta, ta, tayyib, tayyib. Tayyib, by the way, it also means alive, something that is alive, or sometimes it can be used to say delicious. This hummus is كتير طيب, طيب كتير, especially in the spoken and in the dialect. طيب, طيب is the first way to say okay. Second way to say okay is the word tamam, tamam, tamam. Wanna start studying Arabic? Tamam, tamam. Okay. This tamam, it also means complete, something that is complete, or perfect, perfect, something that is perfect, or it can also be a response to somebody who's asking you, how are you? How are you? Tamam, tamam. I'm complete, I'm perfect, I'm doing fine. Most of the meanings also, like the synonyms or meanings included in all these 5 ways that I'm teaching you to say okay, they have the fine meaning included in them. Okay, so tamam, it also can mean fine, or again, if you're saying okay, it means it's fine by me, fine, let's go. Okay, so the second way to say okay in Arabic, and used a lot by all Arabs, is to say tamam, tamam. The third way I'm going to include here, it's the modern standard Arabic way, so it's the classical Arabic and the 100% correct non-dialect but standard Arabic word to say okay. It's Hassanan, Hassanan. Try to say it with me, Hassanan. Remember the letter ha at the beginning, try to pronounce it well. Just like repetition helps you. Every time you repeat words starting with ha, different vocalizations, ha, hu, he, or in the middle or the end of words, it enables you to get used to the sound of the language, and you will get better and better in pronouncing this letter ha. Better. Ha is pronounced by pushing air outside of your mouth. Remember, your vocal cords are not vibrating. It's ha. Nothing is vibrating here. Even if you touch, nothing will vibrate. It's just pure flow of air being pushed outside. Habibi, hummus, Hassanan, Hassanan, Hassanan. Okay, it also means fine, by the way. Hassanan. The fourth way to say okay in Arabic, in particular, it's used in the dialect of Iraq or Gulf Arabic. It's Zayn. Zayn, it means okay. It's very little used by us Levantine Arabs, or the Arabs who speak the Levantine dialect, the Shami dialect, Jordan, Lebanon, Syria, and Palestine. Not very much used by us, and not used in the modern standard Arabic, this Zayn, but very much used in the Gulf countries, and it's the perfect expression to say okay, Zayn. By the way, it also means beautiful, and it also means fine, So you want to go with me somewhere, Zayn. So it's like you're saying beautiful, or it's like you're saying, of course, fine, and hence okay. All right. So this is the fourth way to say okay in the Arab world, Zayn. From which comes the name of the singer, who I think, not sure, has some Arab origins. I'm not sure from where, but his name, it means beautiful. Zayn means beautiful and okay. And the fifth way to say okay, very much used by most Arab countries, and in particular in my dialect, the Shami dialect, the Levantine dialect spoken in Palestine, Syria, Lebanon, and Jordan. Again, I'm repetitive, but I just want to specify to you which dialect I'm talking about. It's to say mnih, mnih, mnih. Mnih, literally, it means it's fine, it's well, and it also is very much used to say and to convey the meaning of okay, just to be okay and alright with something. So this thing is fine for me, hence it means I'm okay with it, or it's okay with me. saying approving to it. Okay, منيح. منيح. Let's go back to the last one, which is منيح, which can convey the meaning of okay and can be included in this lesson, and these 5 different ways to say okay, which as I told you again, all of these 5 ways, they have also the meaning of fine inside them. We use them though on a daily basis to say okay. Alright, I hope you liked this lesson. If you liked it, please leave a comment below, share it with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for many upcoming Arabic lessons. Make sure also to follow me on Instagram at mahayakoub, and follow me or like my Facebook page at Learn Arabic with Maha, one word. Make sure it's one word, because I've had some people before pretending to be me with the group Learn Arabic with Maha separate. My page, it has more than 100,000 followers or likers on Facebook, and it's only one word. Okay, Learn Arabic with Maha. And I want to remind you of my upcoming Arabic course in the Holy Land. It's being held from the 29th of July until the 8th of August. I'm going to bring together 20 up to 25 people coming from all around the world, different countries, different backgrounds, coming together to learn Arabic with me in the Holy Land. I've been doing these courses for the past 6-7 years, and it's a blessing every time to see this many people coming together for just like one goal: to learn the language, immerse themselves in the culture, and learn Arabic with me. So if you want to learn more details about these courses, how to apply, the prices, the package, where to sleep, how to get there, everything, you will find a link in the description below, which will lead you to the page of the whole course and how to apply. And I hope to see you this July amongst my international students coming to my country and learn Arabic with me. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it, and I will see you in the following Arabic lesson with me, Maha. مع السلامة.